J'ai souvenir d'une madame Nicole, un style qui pensait qu'un boulot n'était pas fait pour l'école. Je portais un velours troué, des bottes rouges en plastique, une cagoule en laine, un chandail ou des plaies baskets. Le coiffeur ne savait même pas encore que j'existais, mais sois sûr que le premier qui nous a vu s'est désisté. Pourtant jeune et innocent, la mort volée s'inclinait. On squatte le bac à sable avec son sable et nos idées, afin de faire du vandalisme, même sans le savoir. Nos parents n'ont pas, donc on erre sans avoir. D'après nos voisins de gros racistes, je le précise, nous étions mal élevés, leur berger allemand mieux dressé. Moi j'y crois pas, d'ailleurs j'y ai jamais cru, car parental est le seul amour que j'ai jamais eu. Donc pour pas se vénère, ce qui met à l'amende les vertus du nana, donc du thé à la menthe.
Première époque bidonville, ambiance clandestine dans un bar à Barbès. Et à la menthe, couscous et tagine à la carte. Plus de scopitone pour Mouloud et Saïd Abdallah. Avec un sale accent, pas de salam alek, me dit Hazen l'athlète, originaire d'Algérie, d'Hollywood à Tamanrasset. Plus de thé à la menthe, juste des palabres amères comme un malade mental. J'ai mal à la tête, je cavale en Stan Smith, Adidas, jeans 501, savage mental. Ici c'est v'là l'attentat. Pour quelques 12 de plus, y'a des carnages dans l'air. Cette France me désintègre, on classe arabe comme un barbare bancal. Nique la culture du barbecue, du steak et des fast-food au bled. C'est la là-bas et les sandales Doujda à Casablanca. C'est banal en bas de la tête, j'm'emmerde et j'pèse que dalle. Ça se bat la frambade, mon rôle, ma peine et ma joie se confondent. Et c'est tout ce qui reste de notre héritage culturel.
Adolescence, Nastase et 500, un Pento, cassette de fond, quel daron 505, mais 20 le mot, problème avec un grand P, face auquel tout le monde a tremblé ou rampé. Après l'innocence, le pessimisme s'est ancré, devant l'incandescence, le droit chemin s'est cambré. Je lui ai tendu la main et le bonheur m'a crampé. Genre seul l'argent et l'honneur peut me rendre vrai, mais ici on peut t'accuser de choses que si t'avais fait tu te pendrais. Il leur faut un arabe, un noir, ce que tu veux, bref du concret. On a eu la chance de ne jamais se prendre au sérieux, côtoyer le vice sans jamais faire le saut périlleux. Modelant, notre vie loin du saut de l'ange. À l'école, nouveau tour contre l'albatros de Beauterre. On s'est retrouvé dans le rap contre toute réelle attente. La recette, sampleur, stylo était à la menthe.
Mad, I get more butt than ashtrays. Fuck a fair one, I get mine the fast way. Ski mask way, nigga ransom notes. Far from handsome, but damn a nigga tote. More guns than roses, foes is shaking in their boots. A visible bully, like the gooch, disappear, vamoose, you whack to me. Take them rhymes back to the factory. I see the gimmicks, the whack lyrics, the shit is depressing, pathetic. Please forget it. You're mad cause my style you're admiring. Don't be mad, UPS is hiring. You should have been the cop, fuck hip-hop. With that freestyle, you're bound to get shot. Not from Houston, but I rap a lot. Pack the gat a lot, the flame's about to drop.
Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm just kicking new flavor in your ear. Like a brand new flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. Word up, no rap, no crap, you bore me. One to grab my dick, too lazy, hold it for me. I'm straight rap great, bust the head straight and dreads, I'm everlasting. Like it's so on pro cash, a tech 9, when I rhyme, plus I climb, word is bond. Your album couldn't fuck with one line. It's been 3 years since your last tear, but now I reappear, your heart pumps fear. To your gut, did your girl's butt. I scraped it, shaped it, now she won't strut. I smash teeth, fuck your beef, no relief. I step on stage, girls scream like I'm Keith. You won't be around next year, my rap's too severe, can get bad flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear, like a brand new flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear.
2194, mad motherfucker.
motherfucking hardcore. It's my time to burn, to explore. The flavor in your ear is the Boy Scout. I make outs, I make all the rappers have doubts. You're fucking with the wrong clan and the wrong man, that's it. Now you got to get your dome split. I'm going into my knapsack with my gat. Take off my hat, yes, I'm just cool like that. The dangerous, the ruggedness from the flappers abyss. BLS 97 Kiss bastard it. I'm gonna live long in this rap game. Niggas know my name, Yo Puffy.
Burning the flame, you're jingling, baby. You're jingling, baby.
Heat shit. Blotitious, skeevy, delicious. Give me couscous, love me good. Damn, hollers to Hollywood, but is he good?
It's your boy.
Gorilla Blacks in the building. You ready? It's a lot of groupie niggas and bitches out here. Got a parlay card.
Yes, sir, Bobski.
Okay. Yeah. Come on.
When I arrived with my entourage and 7 series and 645s. Fuck that guest list, I'm expected. You be disrespectful, you get disrespected. You ain't never been as close to a player of my magnitude. Sipping Beezy while the champagne flutes. Behind the velvet ropes, you can smell the smoke. As the Moet holds, you just chill home. The throwbacks are S-dots. We ain't button up some hard bottoms off top. No, I don't back them when I see them. I snatch them when I'm leaving. And if they don't go, I don't give a shit. So what one won't do another wheel. I'm exclusive in Ferragamos. While you in Payless Hills, I don't buy drinks by the cup, I buy them by the bottle. If it ain't Cristal, hell, I'd rather drink water.
That's what I need. So come and take advantage of
We got the glasses up, sipping Chrissy until we busy. Hold up, ma, just chill, love. Kick back, you with a real thug.
I'm in the club with my nigga Gorilla. Got plenty of hoes with no clothes, pimping niggas for Skrilla. Around the world, groupie niggas and bitches the same. Ain't checking for you till you get your fortune and fame, and it's all the same. Motherfuckers all in your face, and if it ends, then they bounce, rock, skate. I've been in the game for years, dude. I ain't cool off yet. Love these hoes, but I'm about these checks. But show some respect. I'm 30 deep, trying to get in the club. Fuck the list, I'm doing the club a favor. Now let me see you put your drinks up high. Puff on something, you feeling good, Gorilla?
Right.
Baby, you got just what I need. So come and take advantage of
We got the glasses up, sipping Chrissy until we busy. Hold up, ma, just chill, love. Kick back, you with a real thug. The sunrise and the moon fall. When my plane land, you better take it off. Stop playing, girl. Yeah, I'm tryna fuck something. Stop playing, girl. Yeah, I'm tryna fuck something. I can make the sunrise and the moon fall. When my plane land, you better take it off. Stop playing, girl. Yeah, I'm tryna fuck something. Stop playing, girl. Yeah, I'm tryna fuck something. Check it, you're looking dope in your Dolce Gabbana boots. It ain't nothing I can't do, The motions in the oceans. My dick game is potent. My work will give you those notions. Cause I'm fat, I hit it like I'm skinny. Choke up that drove from the IHOP to Denny's. It's your choice. Real pretty skin tone, real pretty voice, and make grown men moan. I like your style, your grace, your face. You tasting better than the icing on the cake. And if I say I drink your bath water, you know I'm drinking up your bath water. Come on. The sunrise and the moon fall. When my plane land, you better take it off. Stop playing, girl. Yeah, I'm tryna fuck something. Stop playing, girl. Yeah, I'm tryna fuck something. I can make the sunrise and the moon fall. When my plane land, you better take it off. Stop playing, girl. Yeah, I'm tryna fuck something. Stop playing, girl. Yeah, I'm tryna fuck something.
You wanna talk to a baller, don't let them sims stall you. Slide in your man's X5 when I call you and let your hair blow. I'm in the NBC suite, room 304, don't wear nothing under your trench coat. You remind me of Lisa Ray. Cut the lights low so we can play and grind until the day. I got chicks in every city, some classy, some sedity, and 2 or 3 bombing in purple chronic and Phillies. From the G4 to the limo to the penthouse on South Beach. Since I fucking keep my name out your mouthpiece, skin tone alone drives me crazy. I can't imagine being without you. Every day is about you.
Make the sunrise and the moon fall. When my plane land, you better take it off. Stop playing, girl. Yeah, I'm tryna fuck something. Stop playing, girl. Yeah, I'm tryna fuck something. I can make the sunrise Lexus, they pushing Grand Cherokees. Forget them dudes, ma. Hell, I'm the man to see. Fulfill fantasies, slap the ass cheek, like I did my victims in my last robberies. Hell, you know the game, the name B-L-A-C-K. Pop the champagne, then blaze the Mary J. From the Bay, back to L.A. now. I'm old school, Pelly Pale with the chain out. Fade to the right, a little like barbershop. I hit it hard enough and half the neighbors call the cops. Sexy chocolate, I got more power than stunning Steve Austin. Yes, please take caution.
The sunrise and the moon fall. When my plane land, you better take it off. Stop playing, girl. Yeah, I'm tryna fuck something. Stop playing, girl. Yeah, I'm tryna fuck something. I can look the sun